If you are looking for an AI coding assistant, then there are so many options out there. Today we're going to have a look at some of the best. We're having a look at IDE, we're also going to explore Cursor, and we're going to have a look at Claude Dev. We're going to check out some of their cool features and why you should actually be using them. So let's do it. All right, so you can see now we are in IDE. So IDE is a command line chat tool that connects your GitHub Copilot to your code base. So it uses natural language coding. This means you can chat with your AI assistant about pretty much anything in plain English. It also understands your entire project structure and delivers more relevant solutions. It automatically commits changes to your repository with meaningful commit messages. You can see over here, it is terminal based, so it works directly in your command line interface for seamless workflow integration. It's compatible with Claude 3.7, DeepSeek, and OpenAI models, and it creates a comprehensive map of your project for context-aware assistance. This is great. The last thing here is it works with multiple languages. So if you're using Python, JavaScript, Rust, and even other popular languages, it really is fantastic. It works with all of those languages. You can automatically create meaningful Git commits after changes, and then also it has an IDE integration, so it works with editors through comment-based interactions, and it adds images and web pages to provide more visual references. The last thing that we're going to have a look at here is the voice interaction. So you can request features, tests, or even bug fixes using natural speech. It has flexible integrations. You can work with both API-based as well as web interface language models. It has auto testing capabilities, and also it identifies and repairs issues detected by linters and tests. This is really great. Okay, so looking at Cursor now, you can actually supercharge your coding workflow. Cursor AI is quite a powerful tool. It aims to transform your coding experience in a whole. It offers a wide range of intelligent features that are actually designed to boost your productivity and enhance your code quality. At the core of Cursor AI, it actually has the ability to integrate seamlessly within a familiar coding environment. This also allows you as a developer to access advanced tools as well as functionality without disrupting your already established workflows. It also leverages the power of AI and provides intelligent code completion, smart code improvement suggestions, and other more advanced capabilities. These features, of course, work together to help develop a cleaner, more efficient code. Ultimately, it will streamline your coding process and your output will be of better quality. So whether you are an experienced programmer or you are just starting out your coding journey, Cursor AI does have the potential to elevate those coding skills and accelerate your project delivery. It's got a user-friendly interface and cutting-edge technology. It is poised to become an invaluable asset in your coding toolkit. Right, so Claude has actually been around for quite a while. Claude actually helps developers write better code faster. The AI assistant generates production quality code in multiple languages while explaining complex concepts in a simple or more clearer format. The other things that they offer is their production level code. It creates working solutions across multiple programming languages with impressive accuracy. They have error identification, which quickly spots bugs and explains the underlying issues within the error in plain language. It also has platform adaptation. It adapts code to different environments and frameworks with customized solutions. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, there we go. A head-to-head comparison of some of the best software in the industry. If this video was enjoyable, drop us a like to show your support, and we'll see you next time.